Supreme Court Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno umaasang maglalahad ng katotohanan at mabilis na ikalulutas ng kaso ang mga bagong abogado sa bansa. Sinabi ito ng punong mahistrado sa oath-taking ng mga ito na ginanap sa PICC ngayong araw. Narito ang ulat ni Julius Disamburu.
Kung si Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno ang tatanungin, dapat na magiging instrumento sa pagdahad ng katotohanan at mabilis na ikalulutas ng mga kaso ang mga bagong abogado ng bansa. Unahan ng ilang opisyal ng Korte Suprema ang induction of new lawyers dito sa Philippine International Convention Center sa Pasay City. Umaasa silang magiging tunay na tagapagtanggol ng mga naaapi ang mga bagong abogado.
I think everybody knows that our people expect a lot from these young people. And as the message of Justice Villarama stated, the hope is that they will not lose their idealism. It was in full sincerity, I believe, that Justice Villarama said that lawyers must always uphold the truth. So I hope that they believe that this will support them in their endeavors. If they want this country to move forward, we must stand for the truth.
According to the best of my knowledge and discretion, with all good fidelity, as well to the courts, as to my clients. And I impose upon myself this obligation voluntarily, without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.
Manumpa ang mga bagong abogado, nagbigay paalala din ang mga maestrado ng Korte Suprema na isabuhay ang tunay na pagseserbisyo publiko at iwaksi ang korupsyon.
It is my humble aspiration to give them a few reminders and thoughts in keeping with the
Be
story.
consistently fair in your profession. I told you just how it feels so right when one's conscience is clean. In behalf of the court, congratulations on your well-deserved admission to the Philippine Bar.
Well, of course, it's a duty of everybody. It's the number one obligation of all members of the bar. All maintain and adhere to the Code of Ethics.
Ilang magulang din ng mga bagong abogado ang aming nakapanayam. Bagamat nangangamba sila sa pinasok na propesyon ng kanilang mga anak, ay proud pa din sila. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Julius Disamburu.